I was sent this glass diffuser, and I'm going to open it up so we can kind of get it set up, and then we'll put it to use. So it has that beautiful textured glass. It came nicely packaged, so everything is nice and safe when it arrives. And then inside here, you're going to find the plug and everything you need. So let's take that out. And there's some instructions as well, and you do get an instruction book too. I really love that beautiful kind of coppery gold color at the bottom. So let's go ahead and fill this up and get it plugged in. All right, I have filled it up, but not past the fill line. And then you're gonna add a few drops of your favorite essential oils. So I'm gonna do about 3 to 5 drops in here. Okay. And then we pop this back on. You're gonna line that up. And then you simply take the glass part and put that over. Once the glass part is back on, now I'm gonna plug it in. And the plug is actually really, really long, which I like. So we'll go ahead and plug that in here at the bottom. One thing about the plug, I found you have to have this part face inward, otherwise it doesn't really seal. And here's the on button. The green light turns on and you have a 2-hour, a 4-hour, a 6-hour timer. We have different light modes. It's really pretty. It's very vibrant, but also you don't have to have light on at all. I'm gonna go with that really calming teal that I saw. There we go. And you can see this started coming out right away. Already the smell is filling the air, so this is very fast to fill your whole home and make it smell super nice. And here we have our glass diffuser going. I turned the light off. I'm just letting it be the natural glass. It has a really light bubbling sound as well, which is really soothing. And the aromatherapy benefits are so calming and so amazing. I think you're gonna really love this diffuser.